This is our very first Practice It video. So we are in Unit 4, Java Basics, and if you scroll down, you will see the Practice It. So we are going to create our folders for saving our Java files. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Documents folder and create a folder called Java Files. And this will allow you to save your work into that folder. Alright, so now we're going to follow the steps. We're going to start Eclipse. I've already started my Eclipse, and I'm going to make the window smaller so that I can see both of these at the same time. So we're going to start Eclipse, and then we are going to create a new Java project. So you're going to go to File, New, and then go to Java Project. We're going to name this project Practice It. So Practice It. Then we don't need to change anything else. We're going to click on Finish. And now on our left side of our screen, we have a folder called Practice It. Alright, so we've created our project. Now we need to create our first file. So the first thing we need to do is do File, New, and we're going to do a class file. So we click Create the class. Notice that it says Source Folder Practice It. That's where our code's going to be saved. Right here, Eclipse does not like using the default package, so we're just going to create a package called Practice. There's nothing in it. We're just naming it Practice. Then we're going to come down to Name, and we're going to name this Hello World. And I want you to click the public static void main checkbox and then click Finish. So now what that's done is it's created the program for us. It's given us our package, public class Hello World. Your Hello World should always match the name of the program. And then our main method. This is where we are going to be putting in the information that we want printed out onto the screen. So now we're going to come back over to our program, and we're going to put in the system.out.println Hello World. We're going to tell the computer to print out Hello World. We can either copy and paste. So you can come back over here, copy the line. You can do a Control-C, go back to to Eclipse, Control-V, paste it in. If you want, you can type it. You would do a system dot. Notice that Eclipse will bring up a dialog box for you so that you know what you're putting in here. So here's the out. If you double click that, then it's going to automatically put out for you. Hit the dot again. It's going to bring up some new stuff, and you can say just start typing in print, and it'll show you all the different prints that you can put in. You don't have to use it, but it is there for you. And now I want you to type in your name. I'm going to put Miss Lamas, and then at the end you put in your semicolon. Notice that if I don't put my semicolon in, it puts a red line and an X right here telling me that there is a problem. And you can see it says syntax error, insert semicolon to complete statement. So we want to make sure that we put that semicolon there. Now to compile, we go to the big green button, press it. It's going to bring up the Save and Launch dialog box. Click OK, and now it's going to run, and here we have Hello World, Miss Lamas. Both print statements have run. So what I want you to do is create your Hello World, put in the two statements, run it, make sure that it works, and if you have any questions, just contact me. Leave this open for the next section.